Hi, I'm Krina here, and we have a duplex house which is Indiabul Sky Forest. So a lift was mandatory, and we've had a Nibav lift at our house, as you can clearly see behind. So we really had a good experience. The lift looks really good, but apart from that, it's very helpful for us because we have elderly at home, and they can't climb so many stairs, and it's become very convenient for all of us, for the helpers as well as for the elderly. So it was a very good decision to have Nibav lift at our house. So we've never really had a lift in the house, and having such a sleek and fancy lift in the house was itself really exciting for us. And no matter, even if we didn't want to use it in the initial days, we kept trying it because the way it looks, and it's so small and sleek and nice to have it in a house. So we're really happy, and the first impression was all of us were excited. We really like a white simple house, and as you can see, the lift itself is very simple, classy. It's looking good also, so it just adds up to our interior, so it's perfect. So someone coming to our house new couldn't recognize that this is a lift particularly, because lift usually look very different, but they thought that this is some design, but then they later got to know it's a lift, and just because of the way it looks so neat and classy, that's a compliment itself actually. Lift is really mandatory, and we have it at our uncle's house. This is the second house that we are opting for Nibav lift. So I would suggest anybody to consider Nibav lift, and a lift for sure actually if they have a house like this. It's just convenient, it's easy, and makes your life simple actually.